Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the fifth question in exercise 7.7. For the first subdivision, let's see integral of log x divided by x into root of log x the whole power 4 minus 1. So here first we are going to make a small substitution. Log x the whole squared is equal to t. So now let's differentiate this expression. So you get 2 log x into 1 by x dx is equal to dt. We already have log x dx by x here. So let's find the value for this particular expression. So log x by x into dx will be equal to dt by 2. So that is what is going to get substituted here. As far as the denominator, this log x power 4 will become t squared. So let's make the modification. So integral of dt by 2 divided by root of t squared minus 1. Now this 1 by 2 is a constant I am taking out. So 1 by 2 into integral of dt divided by root of t squared minus 1. Now we have a formula integral of dx divided by root of x square minus 1. In that formula's value, I am substituting this instead of x. However, I am going to use the letter t. So let's do this is half into log of t plus root of t squared minus a squared. So in this case, a squared is 1. So that is what I have substituted. Now you can replace the t with what we have substituted. So in this case, it is log x the whole squared. So the final answer will be half of log x the whole squared plus root of, now t square is log x the whole power 4. So log x the whole power 4 minus 1 plus c. Now let's take up the second subdivision. So in the second subdivision also, we are going to make a small transformation. So here e power x is going to be marked as t. Now let's differentiate this particular expression. So this will become e power x dx is equal to dt. So the whole of this numerator will be replaced with a dt. Now e power x is t means e power 2x is going to be equal to t squared. So let's make the substitution. So this will become dt divided by root of t squared plus 1. Now this is in the direct formula form, so I can substitute. This is going to be log of t plus root of t squared plus 1 plus c. This is the formula. So there I've just substituted or replaced the x with t squared or t as appropriate. Now let's put back the value of t with e power x. So the final answer will be log of e power x plus root of e power 2x plus 1 plus c. In the next video, we will find the solution for the sixth question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.